Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus. Thanks for stopping by. I'm your personal chef for the night. Let me show you what I got. Golden brown pork chops right there. 2.0. And that's how Manual Focus. See that bad boy? Look at that. Nice dripping with that. Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we got that new spicy grilled chicken sandwich. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Now, if you want to follow this recipe and you want the details, it'll be down in the description below. So today we're going to make some cilantro lime sauce. But you got your cilantro here, and then what you want to do, and you just want to pull it, get your leaves off like so. I already did some of them. And then you get your little bowl, place it in the bowl there. So you just pour it out on you. And you just want to get it all finely mixed. And you can also put this in a food processor if you like. And then there you have it, is a cup of Greek yogurt, and then you're gonna put your cilantro in there, and then we're gonna come back to that. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to get you a lime, and then you want to zest that lime. So we got our lime here, and then we're just gonna get that thing to zest. And as you can see, you see that lime zest in there. All right, so next what you want to do, and then we're going to use the same lime, and we're going to cut it, not halfway, but almost a third of the way. And then we're going to use this lime juice into the cilantro. All right, so that's about a third of the lime that I trimmed off there. And then we're gonna put it in our little squeezer. And then we got our lime juice. Let's bring that lime juice out right there. Like so. Now, you got your olive oil, and that's a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna put that in there. And then you got a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper that we're gonna add into this thing. And that's pretty much it. And you just get those ingredients, and you want to make sure that it's all nice and mixed. So we're going to place the cilantro lime sauce into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While we do that, we're going to continue on the prep work for the sandwich. Now you can go with either a vine ripe tomato or a steak tomato, whatever your preference is, go with that. Now what I'm doing here is I'm cutting mine on the thicker side. So I like my sandwiches with a nice tomato on the bottom of it. So when you take that bite, man, you know that it's a sandwich because you got that thick tomato on there. I got some green leaf lettuce here. Now with this lettuce, what we're going to do is just taking it off the stalk, and then we're going to cut it right at the end of that stalk where the green meets the white part. And now what you're going to leave there is your green leaf of that lettuce, and that's going to give you a nice presentation when you put that thing together. All right, let's get to my superstar here, and that's that chicken breast. So what you want to do is get you a nice sharp knife, and you're going to fillet this chicken breast in half. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to get even cooking on that chicken breast. You don't want to have one side done, one side raw. You want to have that thing evenly cooking when you got that thing on the grill. So let's get into the marination part of the process. Get your plastic bag, you can get your bowl, but what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 cups of pickle juice into it. And the reason why you're adding pickle juice, this is going to tenderize that chicken, because our whole goal is to have some nice tender chicken. And then you're going to add 1/4 cup of water into that mixture. And again, Our whole goal is a nice tender chicken breast. Now you're gonna add your chicken breast into that mixture, close it up, and it's gonna marinate for at least an hour. So after your chicken's marinated for an hour, go ahead and bring it out. And next, what you want to do is generously season your chicken. Now I recommend you go pick up this Chick-a-Lick Bam Bam, and the reason why I'm using it is because it already has cayenne pepper in it for that kick that we're looking for in a spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm telling you, man, after you use the seasoning, man, you're gonna be like, man, I should have been using this long time ago. But it's a nice seasoning, man. Like I said, if you want to take it up a couple more notches, you like your stuff extra spicy, then add you about 2 more tablespoons of cayenne pepper, and that'll give you some extra kick for an extra spicy chicken sandwich. And those breasts look good right there, man. Then after you season it well, you're going to get 4 tablespoons of mayo. And the mayo is going to act as a binding agent for your seasoning and that chicken. So you want to make sure that that season is in there and that it's binding to that chicken. You don't want to lose any flavor in that grilling process. So this mayo is going to do that for you. And you want to make sure that you generously apply that mayo front and back to that chicken breast. Let's get those grills fired up, and I'm using a cast iron grill, and I got a teaspoon of butter that I'm laying down, and then I'm gonna put that chicken on top of that so we can get some nice flavors going. And guys, I'm telling you, man, if you never cooked with cast iron before, when you start cooking with it and it starts infusing that flavor with that butter and those seasonings, and then you start getting those grill marks on there, it makes for some delicious food. So with this chicken breast here, I'm cooking it on a medium heat, and you don't want to have it on a high heat. Like I said, a medium heat. You get you some grill lines in it, and you want to make sure that you're not drying that chicken out. So that mayo rub that you did is going to help with that, but you want to make sure that it's cooking at a good temperature. And then also too, make sure you get your thermometer so you know when your chicken has reached that 165 degrees that you're looking for. And then after that, once it's reached there, you see it, those grill marks, man, still nice and juicy. You bring it off that grill. Now, what is a sandwich without bacon? Man, I gotta have bacon, so I added bacon to this recipe here. So I got some thick sliced bacon that we're gonna use after we dress the sandwich up. So in the middle of the process, man, I'm taking this bacon and I'm cutting it in half, as you see me doing here. And then here's the key to some crispy bacon. As it starts to brown, go ahead and take it off because it's going to continue to cook. Alright, so here's another tip, man, to a good sandwich. You gotta toast them buns, man. So look at those buns right there. Some nicely, perfectly toasted buns. So you gotta have that toasted bun, man. And then after that, man, it's all about the presentation. So we got the cilantro lime sauce coming back out, and we're dressing the sandwich. So I'm telling you, man, that cilantro lime sauce, man, it's something else, man. Love the flavor, great flavor, and I think you're gonna love it too. And then next, you put in that green leaf lettuce, and you can see the vibrant, that's why I like green leaf lettuce. Look at the vibrant color that it gives you, and especially for that presentation that you're looking for, green leaf is the way to go. And next, you got your nicely sliced tomatoes, and I told you I like them thick, and that's the reason why. Man, this thing about to make me stutter. Thick. Put your bacon on top, man. You got your bacon. Like I said, what is a sandwich without bacon? And then the whole starter dish is that spicy chicken breast there. So you lay that on top of that bacon. Then you top it off with your Colby Jack cheese, and look at it, man. There you have it. Alright, so there you have it. The spicy chicken deluxe. 2.0. And that's how manual focus does it right there. You see it right there. Look at that thing, man. That thing looks tasty. And what I'm gonna tell you guys, man, is again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And this is only the beginning, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this bad boy, because I know it's gonna be fire, man. Look at that, man. That's some good flavor right there. Let me get a napkin. Really good. Hit that subscribe button, man, if you haven't done so already. And I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full, but I mean, that thing is good, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.